Hi everyone. So yesterday and today we have seen how the price of oil is plunging, going down and down. And if you have invested in the oil stocks, you would have been not so happy investor, right? Energy companies are also going down. I mean, like economies are opening up, and the price should be going up rather than the other way around, right? Because who would have imagined like the price would be going down when the economies are opening up, there is demand, right? So here is what is happening. So what happened was that the American Petroleum Institute, known as API, estimated on Tuesday a large crude oil inventory built of 8.731 million barrels for the week ending May 22. Obviously, now this led to more supply than the demand. The economies have not fully opened, and obviously, with increasing supply of oil means the price will go down because of minimal demand. Now, analysts had predicted an inventory draw of 2.5 million barrels. In the previous week, the API, which is the American Petroleum Institute, estimated a draw in crude oil inventories of 4.8 million barrels. Meanwhile, the estimates were for widely different, with the industry body reporting last week that the inventories had fallen by 5 million barrels. WTI was trading down on Wednesday afternoon prior to the API's data release, although the outlook for a rebalanced oil market is more positive than it was even just 2 weeks ago, with many US states easing lockdown restrictions and the world's largest oil producers, including Saudi Arabia, Russia, and the United States, cutting production by more than many market analysts had predicted would be the case. So, oil production in the United States has now fallen from 13.1 million BPD on March 13 to 11.5 million BPD for May 15, according to the Energy Information Administration. Uh, but on Tuesday, the WTI benchmark was trading down on the day by $1.35, which is 3.93%. And the price of Brent barrel was trading down on Wednesday as well by 3.57% at $34.88. So the API reported a build of 1.120 million barrels of gasoline for week ending May 22 compared to last week, 651,000 barrel draw. So this week's draw compares to analysts' expectation for a 33,000 barrel draw for the week. And distillate inventories were up by 6.907 million barrels. So what we're seeing here is like there's a lot of supply of oil with the new oil in USA as well, with the API reporting a buildup of more and more. So this is not a very good picture, because what we are seeing is that there is more supply of oil, but there's hardly any demand because the economies have not fully opened, right? So not all the countries have opened up their economies, only few, and with that also with restricted guidelines for some industries to open up, and some industries like travel have not even fully opened, right? So I reckon we need to wait and watch as to what's happening with the new oil war. Until next time, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. See ya.